Hey there, YouTube fam. Have you ever dreamed of making money on YouTube? Well, you're not alone. Did you know that YouTube has seen a massive growth in recent years, becoming a lucrative platform for content creators like never before? Welcome to today's video, where we're going to dive into the world of making money on YouTube in 2024. With the increasing opportunities for content creators on the platform, it's never been a better time to start your YouTube journey. In 2024, making money on YouTube has become more competitive than ever before. With millions of creators vying for views and subscribers, it can be challenging to stand out in the crowded online space. However, with the right strategies and dedication, it is still possible to find success on the platform. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, these tips will help you maximize your earnings and grow your channel. Let's get started. 1. Find your niche. Step 1. Identify your passion. Interests and expertise. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. This will keep you motivated and help you create high-quality content consistently. Step 2. Research market demand. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube Analytics, and social media to find out what topics are trending and have high search volumes. Competitor analysis. Look at successful channels in your niche to understand what works and what doesn't. Step 3. Define your unique selling proposition (USP). Differentiation. Identify what makes your content unique. This could be your personality, perspective, or the value you offer that others don't. 2. Create high-quality content. Step 1. Plan your content. Content calendar. Create a content calendar to plan your videos in advance. This helps maintain consistency and ensures you always have fresh ideas. Script and outline. Write scripts or outlines for your videos to keep them structured and engaging. Step 2. Invest in good equipment. Camera and microphone. Invest in a good quality camera and microphone. Clear audio and video quality are essential for retaining viewers. Lighting and editing software. Proper lighting and professional editing can significantly enhance your video quality. Step 3. Optimize video production thumbnails and titles. Create eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles to attract viewers. Use keywords to improve searchability. Editing. Use editing software to polish your videos. Add graphics, transitions, and music to make your content more engaging. 3. Grow your audience. Step 1. SEO optimization. Keywords. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your video's search rankings. Engagement. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. High engagement signals YouTube's algorithm to promote your videos. Step 2. Collaborate with other creators. Cross-promotion. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. This exposes your channel to a broader audience and can boost your subscriber count. Guest appearances. Invite guests to your channel or appear on others' channels to increase visibility. Step 3. Promote on social media. Social platforms. Share your videos on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok to reach a wider audience. Engagement. Interact with your audience on social media to build a loyal community. 4. Monetize your channel. Step 1. YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Eligibility. Ensure you meet the eligibility requirements for YPP, 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Ad revenue. Once approved, you can start earning from ads shown on your videos. Step 2. Sponsored content and brand deals. Collaborations. Partner with brands for sponsored content. Make sure the brands align with your niche and audience interests. Negotiation. Negotiate fair compensation for brand deals. Your rate will depend on your subscriber count, engagement rate, and niche. Step 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate links. Promote products or services using affiliate links in your video descriptions. You earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Transparency. Disclose affiliate relationships to maintain trust with your audience. Step 4. Merchandise and products. Merch store. Create and sell your own merchandise like t-shirts, hats, or mugs. Platforms like Teespring can help you design and sell products. Digital products. Offer digital products like ebooks, courses, or presets that are relevant to your niche. Step 5. Crowdfunding and memberships. Patreon. Use platforms like Patreon to offer exclusive content and perks to your most loyal fans in exchange for a monthly subscription. YouTube memberships offer channel memberships to provide exclusive badges, emojis, and content to paying subscribers. 5. Engage with your community. Step 1. Respond to comments. Interaction. Regularly respond to comments on your videos to show appreciation and build a connection with your audience. Feedback. Use viewer feedback to improve your content and understand what your audience wants. Step 2. Live streams and Q&A sessions. Real-time interaction. Host live streams and Q&A sessions to interact with your audience in real time. This can strengthen your community and increase viewer loyalty. Super chats. During live streams, viewers can pay to have their messages highlighted. This is another way to monetize your content. Step 3. Community posts and polls. Engagement. Use YouTube's community tab to post updates, polls, and behind-the-scenes content. This keeps your audience engaged between video uploads. 6. Analyze and adapt. Step 1. Monitor analytics. YouTube analytics. Regularly review your YouTube analytics to understand which videos are performing well and why. Key metrics. Focus on metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rate to gauge your success. Feedback loop. Continuously seek feedback from your audience and adapt your strategy based on their preferences. Stay updated. Trends. Keep an eye on industry trends and updates to YouTube's algorithm. Adapting to changes quickly can give you a competitive edge. Learning. Invest time in learning new skills and improving your content creation process. One of the most important tips for success on YouTube in 2024 is to find your niche. With so much content available online, it is crucial to carve out a unique space for yourself and create content that sets you apart from the competition. Another key tip for success on YouTube is to consistently create high-quality content. Collaborating with other creators is another effective way to grow your channel and reach new viewers. By partnering with influencers in your niche, you can tap into their audience and introduce your content to a wider range of viewers. Collaborations can also help you learn from other creators and gain valuable insights into what works on YouTube. In 2024, monetizing your YouTube channel has become more challenging due to changes in the platform's algorithms and advertising policies. However, there are still several ways to make money on YouTube, including ad revenue, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. By diversifying your income streams and exploring different monetization options, you can increase your earnings and build a sustainable career as a YouTuber. In conclusion, while making money on YouTube in 2024 is more challenging than ever before, it is still possible to find success on the platform with the right strategies and dedication. By finding your niche, creating high-quality content, collaborating with other creators, diversifying your income streams, building a personal brand, and engaging with your audience, you can increase your chances of growing your channel and earning a sustainable income as a YouTuber. With persistence and hard work, you can achieve your goals and turn your passion for creating content into a successful career on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share.